AI-powered systems can optimize irrigation and fertilization, reducing water and fertilizer usage. This not only conserves resources, but also minimizes the environmental impact of agriculture.
In transportation, AI is being used to optimize traffic flow and develop more fuel-efficient vehicles. These advancements can significantly reduce transportation-related emissions.
AI is even being used to monitor and protect endangered species. By analyzing images and data collected from the field, AI can help conservationists track animal populations and identify threats. Section 4, the AI Environmental Impacts Act of 2024, a step towards sustainability.
Recognizing the growing importance of addressing AI's environmental impact, the United States passed the AI Environmental Impacts Act of 2024. This landmark legislation aims to promote the development and deployment of environmentally responsible AI technologies.
The Act requires companies developing AI systems to assess and report on the environmental impact of their work.
This includes energy consumption, water usage, and greenhouse gas emissions.
By increasing transparency, the Act aims to encourage companies to prioritize sustainability in their AI development processes.
The Act also establishes a research fund dedicated to developing greener AI technologies.
This includes research into more energy-efficient algorithms, sustainable hardware design, and the use of renewable energy sources for AI.
The AI Environmental Impacts Act of 2024 sets a precedent for other countries to follow.
Section 5, Global Collaboration for Sustainable AI.
Addressing the environmental impact of AI is not something any one country can do alone. It requires global cooperation and collaboration.
International standards and best practices can help ensure that AI is developed and deployed in a sustainable manner.
Sharing knowledge and resources can accelerate the development of greener AI technologies. This is especially important for developing countries, where resources may be limited.
Collaborative efforts can also help ensure that the benefits of AI are shared equitably, leaving no one behind.
By working together, we can create a future where AI helps us address climate change and create a more sustainable world for all.